Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency Dogecoin video for you today. Elon Musk appeared on Saturday Night Live. By the way, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Shout out to my mom and helping out with everything that she does. So make sure you go give your mom a big kiss, give her a gift too as well. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started here with our article. We had Elon Musk appear on the SNL appearance last night, and lo and behold, we see Dogecoin dump. You know, as we talked about, I believe in 2 videos ago, this could be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, and it does look like that's what it exactly was. So apparently he called cryptocurrency a hustle. I'm not too sure. I haven't seen the actual video yet of the skit, but we'll take a look at the article here by MDTV, and then we'll jump on over into the charts. So let's go ahead and get started with the intro. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, folks. Hit that notification bell so that way y'all can stay up to date each and every single video that we make on this channel each and every single day as the crypto markets continue to rally through 2021. And we're taking, also don't forget to join us on our private trading group page. Join us through Patreon. We use Patreon as a payment processor, but you want to make sure you have a Discord username to see all of our posts for our private members. All right, so we have our article here with Elon Musk. The value of Doge dropped sharply as the U.S. In the U.S. hours on Sunday after Tesla chief in cryptocurrency supporter Elon Musk called it a hustle during his guest host spot on the Saturday Night Live comedy sketch TV show. Dogecoin was quoted as low as 47 cents on crypto exchange Binance, down 28% from levels of around 65 cents before the show. The billionaire Tesla Inc. chief executive hosted the show at 11:30 p.m. On Saturday. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts had for days been eager to see what he would say after his tweets this year turned the once obscure digital currency into a speculatory's dream. Asked, "What is Dogecoin?" Musk replied, "It's the future of currency. It's an unstoppable financial vehicle that's going to take over the world." And this is what he said about Doge. Oh my gosh. Okay, when a showcast member, Michael Q, countered, "So it's a hustle?" Musk replied, "Yeah, it's a hustle," and laughed. Musk is a rare business mogul to have been asked to host the vulnerable comedy TV show. The timing puts Musk back in the spotlight just as Tesla stocks is losing steam following last year's monster rally. The unconventional CEO has posted numerous comments about cryptocurrencies on Twitter and criticized regular old cash for having negative real interest rates. Only a fool wouldn't look elsewhere, he said in February. His cryptic tweets, Doge and Dogecoin is a people's crypto, that month kicked off a rally of Dogecoin, creating a parody on the more mainstream Bitcoin and Ethereum. On Thursday, Musk tweeted cryptocurrency as promising, but please invest with caution, with a video clip attached in which he said it should be considered speculation at this point, and so, you know, don't go too far into crypto speculation. But he also said in the video that cryptocurrency has a good chance of becoming what is called the future currency of Earth. On crypto data tracker CoinGecko, Dogecoin has jumped more than 800% over the last month and is now the 4th largest digital currency with a market capitalization of $73 billion. It hit a record high Thursday at above 73 cents. It has overtaken more widely used cryptocurrencies such as Litecoin and Tether. Tesla said in February it had bought 1.5 million worth of Bitcoin. All right, so yeah, we saw the bearish divergence actually start playing out. So we can take a look at Dogecoin on today's charts. But yeah, we were definitely probably looking at a sell-off here. We didn't quite hold our 60% level, our 60 cent level on the daily chart, but let's go ahead and jump on over into our charts here and get started with that. All right, folks, so we're taking a look at Bitcoin to start us off with. Let's go into the daily chart here really quick, see what's happening. The daily chart does look like we are just kind of moving sideways for the most part as of right now. Bitcoin hovering at about $57,300. Looks like we are holding very nice support here on the 21 EMA. So probably nice support here being held at the 21 EMA on the daily chart. Let's see if we can hold above the $56,200 level, and let's keep on zooming out here, see what's happening possibly on the 6-hour chart. 6-hour chart, we did break through one of our resistance trend lines here on our candlestick patterns. It does look like we came back down to retest this trend line as support now. Let's see if we can make a little bit of a bouncy bounce here. We'll have to kind of keep a close eye on this and see. It does look like the cryptocurrency, or at least Bitcoin in general, is starting to sell off. Taking a look at the 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart, Market Cipher is definitely telling us that it does look like it's starting to find a little bit of a bottom here. So we'll have to wait and see if we can get a green dot here on Market Cipher on the 2-hour chart sometime soon. We do see our sell signal starting to pop off on the 2-hour chart as well. Take a look at the 4-hour chart. Let's see what's happening here. No sell signal on the 4-hour chart just yet. But as you can see, folks, even on the 4-hour chart, we did get a move that was breaking above through our resistance trend line, and then it looks like we came back down to find support above it. We didn't close below it, so let's see if we can make sure that we could close above this support trend line now. So yeah, let's take a look at Doge. So we'll tell you what we were seeing on Doge to let us know that this was definitely probably going to be a sell the news event. Taking a look at the daily chart here, I believe it was a daily, we saw our bearish divergence. Yeah, bearish divergence here on the daily chart with Market Cipher. So take a look at Market Cipher, we can see our bearish divergence, and it does look like that has kind of played out here. It does look like we have actually found support on the 21 EMA on the daily chart here, right at about 41 cents. So came back down all the way to test the 21 EMA on Doge, and let's see if we can get a little bit of a bouncy bounce here. Take a look at the 4-hour chart or 6-hour chart, see what's happening. Yeah, pretty much about the same. It does look like the crypto market has been kind of in a little bit of a sell-off after last night. I guess from Elon referring to cryptocurrency as a hustle, quote unquote. I don't know exactly what he meant by that or why that's bearish, but because isn't any type of money-making business considered like a hustle or a side gig? I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, this is what it looks like on our 4-hour chart. We are trying to find support above this resistance trend line, and that's all the way down at 36 cents or so. But if we break below that, we're definitely probably going to see a little bit more of a sell-off. So folks, I think we're going to keep this video relatively short today. But it does look like more or less I guess based on what was said yesterday from Elon, that we were probably going to see even a little bit more sideways movement as of right now. Let's just see how this is going to end up playing out. We'll keep a close eye on the daily chart. Like I said, the daily chart showing us support on the 21 EMA, which is right at about 56,200 or so. So let's see if we can get nice support there, waiting for our bouncy bounce to happen. It does look like our hash ribbons is starting to still recover for the most part. So let's see what our hash ribbons is going to end up doing for us, see if we can get that buy signal on the hash ribbons. So folks, thanks for tuning in today. I hope y'all have a great Mother's Day out there. And yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.